Magnetic water and the benefits from drinking it.
Let us see how this type of water affects human blood. The doctor is drawing blood from a patient's finger. Using a special microscope, we shall be able to see the condition of her body from this drop.
These are red blood cells, and they've lost their electrical charge, so they're all stuck together in a formation called a rouleau. Here's a huge symplast. Symplasts are associated with heart disease and arthritis and lung disease and many other conditions that could be coming in the future.
I just want to explain why blood clotting is unhealthy and can cause serious conditions in the future. All them blood cells stuck together will have different jobs to do in regenerating the body. So let's say one's carrying the oxygen around, another's carrying the proteins around, and another is cleaning all the toxins out of the body, out of the cells. Eventually, these blood cells need to separate in order to do the jobs, but being stuck together, these jobs cannot be done. So let's carry on watching the experiment.
The doctor asks the patient to drink a small amount of structured water. After 12 minutes, the doctor again draws blood from the patient and studies it.
So you can see that the cells then become buoyant, they become slippery, and they have their electrical charge, so they repel each other. That allows them to carry oxygen, and it means that we're changing the pH of the blood back to an aerobic environment rather than an anaerobic environment. I think that's utterly amazing that just drinking water could do that.
This is why the water gives the blood cells the ability to repel other blood cells to prevent clotting. This is a diagram of all the water molecules in a cloud. All the blood is going to act the same. See all the negative charge around the water droplets? Well, we want the blood to have all that negative charge so it repels other blood cells. All the negative charge on the outside of the water droplets are repelling each other, and that's what we want the blood to do. So when the blood rehydrates from magnetic water, which is negative charge water, it transfers that negative charge onto the blood cell. With the blood cell now having the negative charge, they can flow around the body with ease, doing all the jobs needed to regenerate the body. And that is why magnetic water is so good for the body. This is how I make my magnetic water. I've got a tin cup with magnets all around the outside, and I fill it with water and leave it to stand for a couple of hours. And I'm assuming what you should notice is all them bubbles. Oh, them bubbles is what you want because they've got that negative charge skin around the outside, and you want the blood to rehydrate from that negative charge, so it'll give the blood the chance to repel all of the blood cells and prevent clotting. So like I say, if the blood's clotting, it's got 3-4 jobs for it to do. Eventually the blood cells need to separate to do them jobs, and if they're not separating, them jobs aren't getting done, and that's why it causes ill health. So anyway, magnetic water, please give it a go. You'll feel the benefits. It gives you more energy, it looks after your body, you can think more clearly. So yeah. Right then, I hope you liked the video. I will be putting a link to a doctor who's worked on this sort of water for 30 years on the brain and other conditions. She's done some amazing work. I'll put the link in the description box, and it's worth watching if you want more advice on this sort of water. So yeah, I'll do that. Anyway, like this video, give a thumbs up, and please like, share and subscribe.